Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you two really cool animated Mickey Mouse lamps, and this is Carol's equipment from Indiana. This is the initial checkout of these two lamps, and they do not have any power, so they're not working for Carol. And since this is the initial checkout, we're going to kind of go through a little bit on them. Now, I know that both of these lamps have already been gone into. I can tell that somebody's been into them at some point, tried to repair them, or did repair them, and then they're not working at this point. We have the one Mickey right here, and then we have this Mickey, and it's plugged into the electric. That's a breaker. And there's a switch on back of Mickey, and you can turn him off and on. And this breaker, if you watch this breaker when I turn Mickey on, you're going to see the switch slam to the right. And that's an indication of a short in the circuitry. So basically, we're going to have to go through both of these Mickeys and locate our bad components and then replace them. So we want to go ahead and switch the switch on Mickey. If you watch this breaker switch, it's going to slam to the right when I turn Mickey on. And we'll go ahead and set that there. And we'll turn him on right now. And so we know that the circuitry is shorted because it took the breaker out. It popped the breaker. So we're going to get a start on these Mickeys, and we'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the repair of these two really cool Mickey Mouse lamps. Very highly collectible. And we'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we are in the middle of the process of repairing the Mickey on the left here. Now, we need to get in and do a bunch of work on this other Mickey, but we have troubleshooted, replaced our bad components, and so we're going to do a little test before we put everything back together again. What we want to do is, I have our breaker connected up now. We've replaced a bunch of parts here, and now what we want to do is we want to test Mickey. So I'm going to go ahead and push the button.
What a bright idea.
And then I want to turn him off.
So long, pal.
And so both of these boards were damaged due to the shorting of the fuse, because it causes problems down that you wouldn't normally have, because it's already going to take out a few components. So we want to test Mickey once again.
Now you can see what you're doing.
We'll turn him off.
Hey, who turned out the... Oh, I did.
Oh, we'll try that one more time.
Ah, that's better.
And then we can turn him off.
See you real soon.
Now, we're going to go ahead and put this Mickey back together again, and then we're going to start on this Mickey, so we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we are finished up with the repair of these two really cool animated Mickey Mouse lamps, and we want to start our final checks. So we'll go ahead and turn the first one on here.
Hiya, pal. Nice to see ya.
And then we'll turn the second one on.
Ah, that's better.
We can turn the first one off.
Hey, who turned out the... Oh, I did.
And we'll turn the second one off.
See you real soon.
Turn the first one back on.
What a bright idea.
Turn the second one on.
Hiya, pal. Nice to see ya.
And then we'll turn the first one off.
So long, pal.
We'll turn the second one off. And then we'll, one more time, turn this one on,
Ah, that's better.
and then this one.
Now you can see what you're doing.
Another issue I want to mention about these animated Mickey Mouse lamps is they don't deal with voltage surges or spikes and electrical outlets that are loose. So if you go to plug it in a loose electrical outlet, you probably don't want to use it that way. And you can use surge protectors on the line, but that's not a guarantee that a surge or a spike cannot sneak in and damage these units. Now that we know that these two really cool animated Mickey Mouse lamps have been repaired, we can return them to Carol and they can enjoy these once again. Very cool, highly collectible lamps. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching and have a great day.